Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today I'm going to show you Instant Pot cheesy bacon ranch potatoes. It's cheesy, it's rich, and it's so delicious, and you're going to love it. It comes together within 30 minutes to make this delicious potatoes. For this recipe, you need potatoes, bacon, cheese, some ranch dressing, parsley, garlic powder and salt, and a little bit water. And I'm going to set the Instant Pot to saute, and once the pot is nice and warm, we're going to add our bacon and start searing the bacon right in the pot, Instant Pot. Break it up a little bit. Add a little bit of water to deglaze the pot so that nothing is stuck on the bottom. Otherwise you will get burn notice and nothing will cook. So this looking good now, and I'm going to add all the potatoes along with seasonings. And then we'll add garlic powder with salt and parsley. Mix it up. And then add 1/3 of a cup of water. If you have 8-quart Instant Pot, add half a cup of water. And then we'll set the pot on high pressure for 7 minutes. Make sure your valve is on sealing. And while we wait for potatoes, we're gonna grate some cheese. I prefer to grate the cheese myself because it doesn't have anti-clumping stuff on as the pre-shredded cheese has, and it's much more delicious, I feel like. It will take about 10-12 minutes for the Instant Pot to come to pressure, and then the countdown will start. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the dishes, and I'll be right back. So time is up. We're going to release the pressure quickly. Okay, all the pressure is out. Moment of truth. The potatoes are looking great, and we'll add the cheese and ranch dressing. And we'll go ahead and mix. Cheesy potatoes are ready. They're looking amazing. Some people who tried this recipe on my website reported that they add a little bit chicken to make a complete meal. That's a great idea. So that's something that you can absolutely try. One thing is really, really rich, so a little bit goes a long way. I will give it a taste test. It's really hot. I don't know if I can try it or not, but we'll give it a shot. Super soft, perfectly salty. It's not too salty, smoky from the bacon, cheesy. It's really delicious. I'm gonna dive right in. Thank you for watching. Bye.